It's a nice camera.
Yeah.
Is it?
Thank you.
Sony, huh?
Yeah.
I thought Canon.
No, he's Sony.
Do you sell the photo or just? Do you sell it or just your hobby?
Just hobby.
Just
But
hobby.
sometimes I sell it.
Okay.
But
I have a Nikon D7000.
it's a nice camera
Yeah,
as well.
it's okay, but I don't have the
big lens.
Yeah.
Very nice quality.
I'm sure better than the phone.
Yeah, of course.
I took some nice picture for the deer in Richmond Park with the camera. I took it with the phone. It's a big difference.
Big difference, yeah.
Big difference. The quality, more real. You feel it.
More real, blurry, and even though you can zoom in, even if it is far away, you can zoom in with the camera. This zoom is very nice.
Is the
Wow, beautiful. Well, you can't take it with the phone. That's
Yeah.
quality. And that's distant.
yeah.
That's good.
Wow. Amazing. You go to Richmond Park?
Yeah.